Hello, 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 hello. This is Larrissa with Be You Beautiful One. Welcome to my channel. I am so glad that you are here. Well, guys, I am excited. I literally just got this in the mail today. And so I'm going to open it up and share my first wow moments and etc. with you. Are you ready? I'm ready. Let's go. Woohoo! And of course, I got the newsletter. Yay! Okay. Let me go ahead and lift this out. Woohoo! And I got this when I was ordering this when there was a free gift with purchase. So I already know that I got the colorful dual tip markers. And it comes in black and lagoon. Oh, cute. Awesome. Okay. And I have not used those markers yet, so it'll be interesting to find out what's so great about them. I was trying. Oh, crud. Alright. Woo! Do I have this upside down? I think I do. Okay, here we go. Okay, so it comes with a nice storage case. I got goodies. Awesome. What's in here? I got gift labels, hexagon labels, and compliment cards. Nice. So that's cute. The comeback is always stronger than the setback. And I don't feel like opening all of that. I want to get down to the nitty gritty. Ooh, this comes with it too. All right. Oh, so pretty. I love it. And as you guys know, I never, ever, ever find my name already pre-printed because my name is spelled with 2 R's and 2 S's. And at most, I can only find a similar name with like 1 R and 2 S's or 1 R and 1 S. And yeah. So this is my Erin Condren life planner. Woo! I finally really dug my heels in, okay? And this comes with, I guess, a ruler that's detachable. That's cool. And I love that it's invisible, see-through. So I can use that as a page marker or a way to cut my washi tape, I guess. And this is nice. I believe I can use this as like a dry erase portion of my calendar. So I could take a marker and then wipe it off if I wanted to do that. And it has a clear vellum page. How nice. And I can write my name here. This is my life, my life, my life. Okay. Back to what I was doing. So I got the horizontal layout. And then we got our quote. Success means having the courage to become. That's true. the person you believe you are meant to be. Success means having the courage to become the person you believe you are meant to be. Love it. I love it. And I could tell the difference in the paper quality already. Yay, it's so pretty. And at first I was going to get a different coil color, but I was like, whatever. So maybe that's something I will do on my next adventure. Who knows? In all that you do it with gratitude. Oh, okay. So what I did is when I ordered this, I had the option to get the remaining months of the year. And so they gave me November 2019. Of course, that's already passed. But what I plan to do is maybe backtrack on some happenings that I recorded in November. That way I get practicing, I get used to the paper quality and the pens that will work on these particular pages, and then just practice some different kind of layouts. So I'm excited about that. It didn't cost me anything extra, so that was fun. So you got your dot grid. I believe this is called a productivity page, so I can list my birthdays, which is good because I've been bad about birthdays / anniversaries. Monthly goals. I don't know how to use this. I will have to find out. And then another dotted grid. I'm for sure I can use that for a number of things. Then you got your calendar. And it does, it highlights fall back. I love how that's listed with the arrows there. Okay. And so, okay, so it starts in the end of October and continues into November. That's cool. And I like it because it has the lines that I could write on. I've been taking a look at other people's horizontal spread, and I've been getting some ideas of how I would like to work in this. So this is going to be more of my serious oriented planner that captures moments as well as highlight my schedule throughout the day. I do have a on-the-go portfolio that I will be using along with this. So, but this is the on-the-go portfolio, and this horizontal planner will be my main planners for my personal life. So I'm excited about that. But I've been watching different videos to get an understanding of how people best utilize these pages. And so I don't have to reduce my deco planning in order to make this fully functional, which I like, because the deco planning is what makes it all exciting for me. So, and I definitely can tell the difference of the pages. They're a lot heavier, not heavy, but a heavier weight, and they just feel very nice. So this would be more of my catch-all planner. For me, it would even highlight some things that I want to do on my social media as well. So I like that. Okay. And so what I like too is that you get a note page at the end of each month. So if I want to keep a diary of things that are happening, that's awesome. And then this is the official 2020 start page here. So I love it. And I got the neutral colors so that I will be able to deco without having to white out every single thing in order to do that. So I love that they give you an option to either choose bright colors or neutral colors. So I love that because the whiting out is getting really old. So, all right. Well, and then you got more note pages back here, and it's even tabbed with notes. So I like that. And then I also have contact information. You know, it's not a lot in here, not a lot of pages, but it's just enough for me. So I like that. Because again, this is my personal planner and not necessarily geared towards social media. Although I will be doing some plan with me's for my social media. And then I like this because in the coming year, I can highlight the things that I anticipate happening in 2021. So that's cool. Life is a kaleidoscope of colors, intricate, unexpected, and beautiful. And her theme seems to be kaleidoscopes, so that's cool. And then you have some stickers. Kaleidoscope stickers, some functional stickers with the habit trackers and so forth. And then you also have some deco stickers. I like that one. And then some, these are stickers. Then I have a folder with, calendar and contacts. Keep track of dates that you celebrate year after year. Perpetual calendar. Awesome. This is great. Wonderful. I love it. And so then this is another page that I can use to, maybe use a whiteout marker on and be able to erase it afterwards, but I wouldn't want anything to get on my pages, so I don't know how much I would use that, but there you have it. I am excited and I cannot wait to get this set up and start using it. Woo, woo. I do have a couple of other things that I do anticipate coming in still yet, and so I will share that with you because it's all a part of my planner lineup for next year, and it's also helping to keep me accountable if I share this information with you. So let me know below what planners you plan to use. I do have other planners that I'm using for the sole purpose of social media and so forth like that, and for my creativity. And so I will be sharing those with you as well. Let me know if you like the Erin Condren, if you've had experience with the horizontal layout and how you plan it. If you have videos, please let us know what those videos are so we can check you out. If you prefer a different layout, let me know what that layout is and why. Okay, thank you for joining me. Until the next time, bye.